Hi, this is Mike Smiley Wright with Salem Fsx. I want to show you our brand new 163Rdsk. Come and take a look. Here we are in the main living area of the 163Rdsk. You have a full L kitchen, deep stainless steel sink with cutting board cover, glass top 2-burner stove, plenty of room for 37-inch TV. We have our new glass front Everchill 12 cubic foot fridge with dual entry capabilities. Plenty of floor space with our slide out theater seating with recliners. And due to consumer comments, full workstation in the unit. So you can have your home office on the road. Here we are in the mid bath in our 163Rdsk, full shower surround with our quick close shower curtain, foot flush toilet, full vanity with medicine cabinet, and access to the bedroom. Here we are in the bedroom, full queen bed with double closets, extra storage up top and below. Here we are outside, full pass-through and outside griddle. And you got to remember, with the 163, this is a unit that is purely for couples who need a home office. Don't forget, standard on every Salem Fsx is a fully enclosed underbelly with an option of 190 watt solar package with the panel, 30 amp controller, and an extra battery. Thank you for joining us. Please visit forestriverinc.com for any and all information.